The cow was swept away by floodwaters and ended up entangled in a tree. Luckily, people discovered and rescued it. The elk was trapped up to its neck in mud, unable to free itself. A power vehicle was needed to extract it from the muck. Flood forced villagers to evacuate, but they didn't abandon these poor animals.
Cows from WestGen over here, but we need to get some more help here from our province.
Hey. Hey, it's okay. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Okay. It's okay. Ooh!
The sticks are the only way to capture the cub without hurting it.
What a lucky dog who encountered some kind-hearted passerby. Looking for food, a python got stuck in the manhole cover. People then saved him and calmed him down.
It's really good. Go! Off you go!
Come on, Willie. There's a all right, sweetheart. All right, you did get wet. You didn't know what water was, did you?
His owner heartlessly abandoned him at the railway track. This is the hero who saved him. The sloth was unaware of the precarious situation it was in. In order to safely approach it, this utility worker used a broomstick and both parties successfully reached ground. Forest fires are always the most devastating disasters for wildlife. The rescue team was working tirelessly to save those innocent lives. I really hope they can get over this.
Cal was very concerned about her calf, but the cyclists managed to convince her that they had good intentions.
A faint cry led the group to discover a stranded bear. They managed to save it. After being trapped for so long, everything around it seems so strange. This turtle had been waiting here for a long time before someone came by, allowing it to return freely to the sea.
This kitten clearly chose the wrong place for a walk, but it's very good at attracting the attention of others. During a terrible snowstorm, this deer's face had frozen so badly that it couldn't even lift its head under the weight of the ice. But thanks to the help of kind passersby, the poor animal was finally set free.
Нет, ты сейчас порвешь как-нибудь. Я понимаю. Не, глаза.
His head got stuck in the barrel. It could only hope for some miracle. And that finally happened, that it was able to return to its family.
Heads up, buddy.
These two compassionate men endeavored to aid a wolf ensnared in a trap, despite the poor animal's fierce resistance, as it likely felt threatened. Undeterred by the danger, they bravely determined to rescue it.
Come on, darling. Slippery, hey?
This girl has a kind heart.
Ah, beautiful job.
And I really admire the way her mother rewards her. I cannot imagine the difficulties that this dolphin had to go through. Despite its best efforts, it couldn't return to the ocean on its own. These kind-hearted people came together to help the little dolphin find its way back home. And firefighters did their best to rescue it safely. For a firefighter, any life is important. Even if it's just a kitten with a small chance of survival. The mother dog was pleading with humans to save her puppies.
Geldi. Çek. Ay. Gel kuzum, gel.
Çek. Birini çıkardı. İkinci de geldi. Bir daha var, geliyor.
The small leg of this hawk got caught in the table, leaving it in a pretty uncomfortable position. After some cries for help, the pig's owner appeared. This anaconda was fearless and determined to fight for its prey. But this brave man did not give up and successfully chased away that villain. 1-month-old Joey has become an orphan. Despite the slim chance of survival, people were doing everything they could to save the poor little Joey.
You need help to get down? Easy. Hey, shh. Hey, I'm trying to help you. Okay?
His sincerity touched this little bobcat.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, you got it. You're free.
Oh, wait. Love mama. Dear mama.
This moose got stuck on the rail. The rescue team picked it up with a railroad crane truck and relocated it to a safe area so it could return home.
You might think that an animal in this condition is beyond salvation, but these people did the impossible.
Of a tree trunk, a frightened orphan bear cub hid in fear. This rescue team retrieved it from the tree and provided it with a new and safe haven.
Okay. Come on,
Hello, guy.
Maybe if we cover his head, it will help calm.
Oh, poor thing. She's stuck in the fence.
And the second one took all the strength they had because it was quite tangled in the wire. It was pulling the wire plus the hoof at the same time, basically stood up for a second.
The previous night, this tall giraffe fell into a swimming pool.
1, 2, 3.
It was difficult for everyone to deal with such a large and heavy animal, but their collective effort enabled it to return to the forest.
This woman rescued not one, but 2 opossums in a single day. But what's important is that it is now safe. From the look on its face, you can see that the poor dog has had a hard life. Hungry and lonely, it sat outside the store for a long time until one of the customers decided to do something about it.
Looks like he's gonna catch his breath.
This Kaluga was very frightened, but the owners of the place managed to return it to its natural habitat.
Hey,
哇，你看看，
可以爬，但是不会跑。
会爬哦。你看，很会爬树哦，真的。There it goes. You're there. Oh. Hey! Don't drop the brake. Don't drop the brake. Make sure her neck goes off.
It seems that this baby orca was trying to take humans somewhere. It turns out their mother was having trouble with her tail, and they brought them back together. The horse's tether was caught on jagged rocks, leaving it trapped without food or water for 20 days. Look at this emancipated body. We can just see how much it suffered. Wing and tongue became entangled in a fishing line, rendering it unable to swim or move.
I cut the one on the face.
The police and a kind-hearted woman rescued it.
The pelican's gonna live another day.
As the little bird gained strength, the girl gradually began to familiarize it with its natural habitat. And now it can finally go home. The bus driver could not drive past when he saw a cat hanging from a fence, dangerously close to the road. It would be very easy not to notice this tiny creature in the grass. Luckily, it was spotted and released. Look how relaxed it is in the arms of its rescuer.